Hey traders! Today we're looking at the Bar Analyzer Auto Strategy. This automated strategy finds reversal opportunities by analyzing impulse bars combined with RSI and volume delta. The strategy detects special bars showing strong momentum, then looks for reversal setups right after. It uses three elements: bar structure analysis, RSI for overbought and oversold conditions, and volume delta to confirm signals. When everything aligns, it automatically executes trades. Parameters. Let's go through the key parameters in order. General parameters. Backtest mode toggles between processing only historical data for backtesting, or only real-time data for live trading. Debug mode enables some key info logging in Ninja output window. Trend approach lets you choose only long, only short, or both directions. Quantity is your contracts or shares per trade. Profit target and stop loss are set in ticks. The strategy automatically places limit and stop orders based on these values. Bar analyzer properties. Use custom bar height lets you choose between a fixed bar height value or dynamic calculation based on chart history. Bar height in ticks determines the minimum size for impulse bars. Minimum wick length and minimum body length are percentages that filter bars to find quality setups. RSI up threshold and RSI down threshold identify overbought and oversold conditions. Defaults are 60 and 40. Money management. Daily drawdown in dollars stops new trades if your daily loss reaches this limit. Day of week and trading time. You can enable or disable specific days of the week for trading. The strategy supports up to 4 trading sessions, each with start and end times. Sessions can overlap or cross midnight. There's also a session close feature to automatically exit positions before a specified time. If all trading session clocks are turned off, the auto strategy will trade without time restrictions. If all days are disabled, the strategy will trade without any restrictions on days. How it works. Visual indicator. The bar analyzer indicator shows buy signals as blue bars and sell signals as gold bars. When not using custom bar height, it displays statistics in the bottom left showing average, maximum, and between average and maximum bar sizes and ticks, and this data will also be used as data for detecting the bar and making a decision to enter the position. Entry. The strategy monitors the bar analyzer indicator. When a signal appears and all conditions are met, trading time, allowed day, and within drawdown limits, it places a market order. Position management. Once filled, the strategy immediately places 2 orders, a stop loss to limit risk and a profit target to take profits. These work as an OCO pair: if one fills, the other cancels. Exits. Positions exit 3 ways: hitting the profit target, hitting the stop loss, or automatically closing before session close time if enabled. The strategy also has position recovery if you lose connection. After re-enabled strategy, it can detect and restore existing positions with their protective orders. Important notes. To send orders in real time, you need to turn off backtesting mode, which skips historical trades and switches to real time. The Bar Analyzer Auto Strategy combines bar analysis, RSI, and volume delta to find high probability reversals. Extensive parameters give you control over trading criteria, times, and risk management. Visual feedback helps you understand what the strategy sees. This strategy is available in Essential, Professional, and Elite packages with a 7-day free trial. Check the description below for the link. That's the Bar Analyzer Auto Strategy. Questions? Drop them in the comments. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more NinjaTrader reviews. Happy trading!